Good morning, Razor Adventure fans. We are headed to Silver Lake. Had a little problem this morning. Getting ready to load everything up, and my Razor wouldn't start. Couldn't figure out what it was. Turned the key, nothing happened. Flipped the switch, nothing happened, and I found the fog light switch left on. So I feel like my culprit, wearing a diaper over there, has something to do with it. So we got our jump started. We're gonna let it run for a little bit, get everything loaded up, and get on the road. So we're just finishing getting hooked up here. I got the Razor all loaded. Family's getting loaded in the truck right now. I just wanted to kind of go over what it takes to haul a second trailer in Michigan here. Hauling 2 trailers is legal in the state of Michigan and most all other states. Specifically, I will talk about Michigan law. Total overall length is 75 feet that you can have between this trailer. From the back of this trailer to the bumper of my truck, we're at 72 or 73. I think it's 73 foot. So we're about 2 foot under the limit. Also in the state of Michigan, you're required to have what's called an R endorsement. And the R stands for recreational doubles. The biggest other thing is the second set of safety chains. Now again, I'm speaking specifically to Michigan law. But you are required to have a second set of safety chains attached from the farthest point or the farthest corners of the tow vehicle to the tongue of the towed vehicle. Everything's working, everything's strapped down. Then obviously there's the whole fact that you're hauling 2 different trailers behind your truck. It has to be in Michigan and in most other states, it has to be a fifth wheel or gooseneck type trailer and then a bumper pull. You cannot haul bumper pull to bumper pull. It is legal in a couple states that I'm aware of, or that I've read about anyways and seen, but it is not in Michigan, and personally I wouldn't recommend it. There you go. And I don't remember if I mentioned we are taking the second trailer so we can trailer from the campsite to the dunes. Well, we're on the road. You'll see we're missing a couple kids. The older ones are staying with Grandma. The youngest went with us. So divide and conquer, so we have enough seats for all the butts. Oh, we made a quick stop for lunch in Everett at the McDonald's, because that's usually the only place there's enough parking. Not sure if we're in the way. I guess they can manage. We made it to Mears, Michigan, to the state park. We gotta dump our tanks here real quick before we try and squeeze onto a campsite. It's quite the process. We also have to fill the 110-gallon freshwater tank, so it takes a few minutes. And then we're gonna swing around here, do a really hard U-turn. Not sure how that's gonna go.
Just filled up the water tank and emptied the sewer tanks and getting ready to get into our spot. Thankfully, we have a nice pull-through spot.
Well, good morning. It's Thursday morning. It is time for the dunes. We are loaded up. Sheena's had her coffee. What do you think, Ava?
Snow White.
Yep. Gabriel's crawling in a seat. We're ready to roll. Got the flag put on. Had to pick up a flag bracket for the HMF bumper since we didn't have anything pre-prepared. It's a little crude, a little paint damaging, but it does the job, I guess. Hopefully we'll think of something better before the next trip out. We got our flag from videos past. I'm gonna finish loading up. Sheena and the kids went to the bathroom. And we should be ready to go here. Last time I did this, there wasn't so much weight in the razor.
Oh, is the same one way too much?
Well, we stopped for lunch. Got some sandwiches and some juice packs. And I brought my RC car, but I forgot the axles for the sand tires. So that doesn't get to play. till my butt crack.
No.
Listen, I didn't know it was gonna get that deep.
Well.
Here, let's just get turned around here.